Having Premiere's auto transcription stuck on loading? Here's a quick 60-second fix guide. Open your project, then open the text panel and select Transcript to view the status. Clear cache. Open Preferences, go to Media Cache, click Delete and Used, then restart Premiere. If loading persists, fully quit Premiere and relaunch it to reset background services. Check the speech-to-text service status in the text panel and verify your internet connection. Run a short test clip with clear audio to see if transcription progresses past the loading state. Make sure Premiere is up to date via the Creative Cloud app to patch any speech-to-text bugs. Close Premiere, then delete the transcription cache files in your Premiere cache folder and reopen your project. If problems continue, create a new sequence, copy your clips in, and run auto transcribe again. Watch the text panel for progress bars and final status, and listen for completed audio cues. Quick recap: clear cache, restart, check service, update Premiere, delete transcript cache, recreate sequence. For detailed steps and links, check the video description or visit adobe.com/help for official troubleshooting resources.